Hi, hope all is well. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to pay child support and DComply. So let's pretend you just got an email saying that your ex would like to have you pay child support via DComply. You then would go into the app after you've downloaded it. You press the child support button. Once you're in this particular screen, you would just basically go to Pay Child Support. And then we're going to see that this is the period that child support's on. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is with DComply, you have the ability to set up auto pay. We'll talk about that later. But basically, that'll allow you to just set this and forget it. So let's go ahead and pay it. Here, what we're saying is the current period is this particular week, and you're paying $100 weekly. So I'm going to agree to pay for this particular week. Pay child support. It has me enter the amount. I can only pay up to the amount that I'm owed. So if that amount's 100, let's put that in. Continue. And then it's going to ask me if this is okay. And if it is, and it's going to show me my new balance. Then I'm going to get bank account. If I haven't added bank already, this is where I would need to add my bank to make sure that the payment goes through. You only have to do this once on the app. If you've already done it, you could ignore and move on. So to add bank, what you do is you put in your address. I'm going to put in a fake address now because this is a sandbox environment for example purposes only. Okay, got that in. I've got to put a birth date in. Have to be 18 to use DComply, so I'm going to put in a date that makes me over 18. DComply also asks for the last 4 digits of your social security number. This gets piped directly to the verification service. We never hold on to this information, so you can trust that it's secure. And you're verified. So once you get to this point, we suggest that you connect your bank using the instant verification. Press that button. This uses a technology called Plaid. It's the same technology that Venmo uses. And there's a little explainer here for it. And continue to, then once you've done that, all you need to do is choose your bank. And then if you enter your credentials, your user ID and password, again, this is a sandbox environment, so I can kind of throw in whatever for example purposes. And this will work. The screen you'll see is this. Hit continue, and I'm going to pick the account I'm going to use. And once I've successfully added bank account, it'll let me go ahead and finish off that payment. I'm going to hit confirm. And we are rolling. We have made our first child support payment. And now we also have the opportunity, if we want to, enroll in auto pay. Basically, this would mean is that every week I would just pay the $100 and I wouldn't have to log into the app. The app would just do it for me. So I press that button. There's a little explainer what auto pay is. This is the frequency of payments it would make. I would hit enroll in auto pay and I'd be enrolled. I confirm I enroll it and I'm all set. And go back and we're good to go. Now, at any point, if I want to turn off auto pay, I can go to the manage auto pay button and I could turn it off by tapping right here. Okay, turn off auto pay, confirm, auto pay is now off. So that's how you pay child support and DComply. I hope this helped. If you have any other questions, please reach us at support@decomply.com. Thank you.